I have a quick and easy one today, but it's good to know, so I want to go over it. If you have cuts to a single video or image and you haven't deleted or changed anything about them, you can reconnect them. So here I have one single PNG that I had made cuts to, and I've decided I don't want them anymore. I can get rid of them and reconnect it to make it whole again. And to do that, I just have to go over where the cut is and right-click on my mouse. And there's an option called Join Through Edits. And if I do that on both of these cuts, you'll see that it has reconnected and now it is a single clip, which is really helpful. You cannot, however, attach two different clips. So I have this other punctuation mark, the period here. And if I try to click between that and the semicolon where they meet here, Join Through Edits is not available. So that just goes to show it only works when the clip is the same clip. You can't connect two different ones. And you may notice that you don't have these through edits here, these little triangles between your sliced up clip. And if you don't have them, it helps to turn them on. If you go to Sequence and then Show Through Edits, that will turn them on or off. So I just turned them off. And you see there's none available here. But if I go back in and check that off, they're there. And that just shows me where I can reconnect clips if I want to. Another thing to note is if you've deleted part of your clip here and you want to reconnect different parts of that clip, now that you've deleted a portion of it, if you right-click over, Join Through Edits is no longer an option. It only works if it is an unbroken chain. There's nothing deleted or changed about it. So that's good to know. I hope that you guys found this helpful. I use it myself, especially when I cut things I didn't mean to cut and I want to simplify my timeline. So if you found it useful, give me a like, check out my playlist in Premiere for more like this, and thank you guys so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.